He is the mommy dog that I posted a video before that he has many ticks on his eye, but now she is very well now. We pick up all the ticks from her eye already, so she is so fine now. Yeah, she lives so happy, so healthy in a pagoda near my house. And he is the dog that everyone ask me why I didn't pick up all the tick from her body, because that time the dog doesn't want me to touch her at all, so I cannot come too close the mommy dog. But now I just tell the people around here to pick all the tick from her eye. So the dog is very healthy. She is so healthy. She lives so happy now. Can you see? And I want to say thank you very much to all the people who care about the dog, who are caring about the dog. I'm very appreciative to all of you. Thank you so much, everyone. I love you guys all together. I love you guys all. And yeah, I hope everyone will subscribe my channel, and I will upload more video about the poor animal around my house, on the street, in a public place. You see here the dog here. Okay, thank you very much, everyone.